In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages to be sent later in Slack. This is really useful when you want to send a message at the perfect time without needing to be online, like reminding your team about a meeting first thing in the morning or following up with someone in another time zone. To get started, open Slack on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or Slack in your web browser. The steps are the same. Once Slack is open, navigate to the conversation where you want to send your scheduled message. This could be a direct message with a colleague, a group message, or any channel you're part of. Click on that chat so you see the message box at the bottom of the screen. Now, type out the message you want to schedule, just like you normally would. Take a moment to make sure everything looks good, because this is what will be sent automatically later. You can still edit or delete it after scheduling, but it's always easier to get it right the first time. Instead of pressing enter or clicking the regular send button, look for a small arrow icon right beside the send button at the bottom right of the message box. This arrow is the key to scheduling your message. Move your mouse over to that arrow and click it. If you don't see it right away, make sure your message box is active and that you're using the full desktop or browser view, not a minimized window. When you click the arrow, a small menu will pop up. In that menu, look for the option that says Schedule Message. Go ahead and click on Schedule Message. This will open a scheduling window where Slack lets you choose a specific date and time for your message to be sent. From here, you can pick one of Slack's suggested times, like tomorrow morning, or you can choose a custom date and time that works best for your team. Remember to consider time zones if you're working with people in different regions, and try to schedule messages during their normal working hours. Once you've selected the time, confirm your choice and Slack will schedule the message. You'll usually see a small note showing that the message is scheduled, and you can revisit it to reschedule or cancel if plans change. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully scheduled a message